Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Miralona Balantucas. I am 28 years old and a single mother. I have a son. Uh, he is 3 years old.
Okay, where are you living right now?
I live in 1108 Arpapa Street, Obrero, Tondo, Manila.
Okay, so do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
In Syria, Damascus.
Okay, so how many are them in the family?
There are 5 members in the family.
Okay, so how long did you stay in that employer?
I stayed there for 3 years.
3 years, so you finished your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your main duties in your previous employer?
I do the household works. I clean the house, wash the clothes, ironing, and then prepare their food.
Okay, so why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of the higher salary rather than the other country.
Okay, do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am, like steamed fish,
Uh-huh.
fry rice, and then steamed chicken and stir vegetable.
Okay, so are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a long patience to get along with an elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what can you teach to your employer's children?
I teach them good manners, how to write English, and then read English also.
Okay, so can you sing a nursery song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay, thank you.
That's all, ma'am.
So now what kind of employer are you looking for?
I'm looking for a kind and very understanding employer.
Okay, are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, I'm not afraid of dogs and cats.
Okay, so what can you say about yourself?
I'm a very hardworking person, and then I'm trustworthy, honest, and patient.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
To my future employer, if you give me a chance to be your helper, I will obey your rules, and I can work without instruction, and I promise to be good in your children if you have, and that's all, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is that all?
Yes, ma'am. Have a nice day, and thank you.
Thank you.